Hello everyone, and welcome to a new grammar lesson. And today we are going to talk about articles. And at the end of the video, we are going to have a quiz time. So pay attention and get ready. Let's start. Today I'll explain you how to use the articles a, an, and the. We always use articles before nouns. We use the indefinite articles a and an before singular nouns. We use a before consonant sound, for example, a pencil, a scarf, a car, a chair, a bird, a tree, a vehicle. And we use the article an before a vowel sound, for example, an airplane, an apple, an employment, an elephant, an eye, an ear. When we mention a noun for the first time, we use the indefinite article a or an. The next time, we should use the definite article the. For example, I have a cat. The cat is orange and white. Amy saw a squirrel on a tree. The tree was tall and the squirrel was eating a nut. Do we always use articles? The answer is no. We don't use articles with persons' names, countries, or meals. For example, I've got a sister. My sister's name is Katie. In this case, we don't use any article before Katie. She lives in Japan. Again, here we don't use any article before Japan. We normally have breakfast at 7 o'clock. Again, here we don't use any article before breakfast. And now it's a quiz time. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. Last summer we stayed in hotel. A, B, N, C, the. Number 2. This is interesting book. The book is about planets. A, B, N, C, the. Number 3. Michael had birthday party last weekend. All his friends came to party. Here you should choose 2 answers. A, B, N, C, the. Number 4. Have you got brother or a sister? A, B, N, C, the. Number 5. We saw a lion and an elephant in a zoo. Lion was scary. A, B, N, C, the. Put your answer in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the video, and for more videos, follow my channel. Bye bye for now.